What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button because you're probably here for the hockey content of me building a backyard ice rink, which will be coming once the weather decides what it's going to do, because it's like 17 degrees out right now. Last week we had snow, there was tornadoes. Weather doesn't know what to do, but it will be coming. That's what this video is going to be primarily on, is the plans for it. So make sure you stick around, watch to the end. Leave a comment, question, anything like that. And yeah, let's get this video going. So on YouTube, you are not supposed to cross niches. You're supposed to stick to one thing only, and that's it. But I want to tell you guys, I'm Canadian. I'm gonna cross niches. It's winter, it's hockey season, so I'm gonna build a backyard ice rink. Now it's not gonna be hockey content, it'll be hockey themed because of the ice rink. But that's what I'm going to be doing this winter, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't unsubscribe, because come spring, it'll be right back to lawn care, and that's it. But I just want to let you guys know, this is the heads up. And yeah, with that, let's get this video started. Just one more thing, I just wanted to let you guys know that for me to build this ice rink, it's going to cost me about 500 bucks. It's a bit of an investment, but I am looking forward to actually doing it. So I hope you guys do enjoy that content. It's going to be a lot of work, and it's going to be something for you guys to watch on those cold winter days. So with that, let's move on to the next part of this video, which is your guys' lawn stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. How's it going, guys? So it's Saturday. Still a little bit sick. It's been 2 weeks, but I just did the final mow, and this is a transition video. I'm going from the lawn into winter, building an ice rink for you guys, just so you guys have something to watch. So the lawn is looking good. Just wanted to give you guys a last peek at it. Stripes are coming in, or not coming in, but they're looking good. So behind me, you see the putting green right there? Yeah, all that. So this is where the backyard rink is gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna kill the grass. It shouldn't. I've been doing some research on it. Apparently if you put a tarp down, it's gonna help protect the roots of the grass over winter. I mean, you might see some die off. There might be a circle here in spring, but whatever, I'll fix that. It's not an issue. But this is where it's gonna go. So the way that I've calculated it is it's gonna be about 32 feet long by probably about 20 to 24 feet wide. And if my calculations are correct, I should have enough water in that tank and in those 4 tanks to do it. Because as you guys already know, I do not use the house water. Except for on the front yard, the wife is not happy. However, that's what I'm gonna be using, and that's what we're gonna be getting into this winter season. So with that, just a short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button, because you guys are gonna wanna see me build that backyard rink. It's gonna be something different for you guys. Have a good weekend.